guys, today I will explain about sonarlint installation in Eclipse or a Spring Tool suite in Help Eclipse Marketplace. Then you will get this one and you can search here sonarlint. I already installed, so if you are not installed it will show the install. If you click on that, accept it, radio button will be there, accept the terms and conditions and click on OK and restart the Eclipse or a Spring Tool suite. Then the sonarlint plugin will be installed in your machine. I am trying to run sonarlint, try to see what I am doing. So right click on the project, coverage or sonarlint, analyze. Then it will ask proceed. Okay, so it will take time. Give me a minute so that all the issues we can able to see. So it will show all the things over here. So all the issues it will be reporting. So we need to see one by one, whichever require we can fix it out. It will show the details or the rules why it is showing the error or something. So it's saying unused local variable should be removed. So if you see here, I didn't use this one, it will showing that it's not used. Remove unused. Okay, and what is the compliant and what is the compliant and non-compliant, it will show. If we are not using, then we can remove it. So if you are using it, then you can keep it. The same way you can have the report over here, and one by one we can able to see and resolve whatever is possible. So if you see here, see the rule description, it will say what is the issue and how we can resolve it. Okay, try to understand and do whatever required for us. That's it. Thank you. Please do like and share, subscribe my channel.